Probably see it now too, bro. What it do, y'all? It's your boy C-Will back at it, bro, with another light slight video, man. Hey, look, today's video, y'all, finna get the car service, bro. You know what I mean, y'all? It's the exact same day. Appreciate y'all if y'all stopped into the video, man. Well, the last video, right? Because yeah, it's the exact same day. I'm just making 2 videos in one. You know, trying to like space my content out, man. So, like I said, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let me show y'all the whip, you know. So yeah, currently, bro, we just waiting, you know what I mean? I already checked in, bro. Shout out to them. Boy, I almost bust my face just now. Damn, I almost got CEEFAM. But yeah, so finna get the car service, man. You know what I mean? It's my first time. Well, it's my second service in California. My first time over here in Victorville. So just gonna see how it go. You know what I mean? Definitely might walk around a lot. See what they got, man. You know what I mean? It's not, dang. Look, see, I'm all over the place. But yeah, like I said, I might walk around a lot, y'all. See what they got, man. I'm kind of curious to see like what they offer over here. Shit, what they got on the showroom floor. They got something like this. They got something better than this. I don't know, CEEFAM. So yeah, man. So once I get my oil change and all that stuff done, give y'all a brief overview of everything we did today. All right, my biggest thing, bro, I just want to get the oil changed. Really want to get everything topped off as far as fluids, because I don't know what kind of Dodge or whatever they have in Germany, bro. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get the car service out there. I don't know yet, but shit, I'm not the first Dodge to go out there. I'm not the last Dodge to go out there. So shit, they gotta have something out there, y'all. But yeah, like I said, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all comment on the video if y'all want to, man. All that I'm asking y'all to do is free. You heard me? So yeah, I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. All right, CEEFAM. So look, man. So while I'm out here waiting, man, for my car to get pulled up, bro, I'm really walking around a lot, y'all. And they don't really have much, man. You know, I'm kind of surprised, you know, at the inventory that they have. Like, I don't know. I kind of expected, man, to come over here, CEEFAM, and really see, man, all kind of stuff, bro. It's weird. They have more Dodge Hornets than they got Dodge Chargers, which is a problem, right? So, like, literally, bro, if I'm looking, y'all, man, I see a Tesla right here. I see Jeeps and stuff, right, y'all? Which is crazy, bro. I get it, bro. This is Victorville Motors, bro. They serve Chrysler, Dodges, Jeep, Rams, and all that, man. But yeah, y'all, like, look, the inventory, and this is like on their front line, you know, on their front line, bro. What's up, boss? Don't know who Buddy is, but shout out to you, my boy. But yeah, I mean, they got, you know, if y'all in the business of getting, you know, shit, regular Jeeps and all that, man, shit, come out here. Like I said, I'm at Victorville Motors, man. You know, hey, this color fire, bro. But if I ever got a Jeep or something like that, CEEFAM, it gotta be lifted, big boy tires. Y'all know me, man. Top of the top, man. Top of the brim. So yeah, man, just coming out, bro. But yeah, y'all, like, the most you'll find over here, bro, literally is, look at this, Dodge Durangos, shit, what is these, Jeep Grand Cherokee, whatever, the big boys, bro. That's the most you're gonna find here, bro. And some damn Hornets, man. They got RT Hornets. That's it, bro. You ain't going, man. Sorry, y'all. I thought I was about to see some shit. Hellcats, a little Tracky Hawk, you know, something like that, y'all. But hell no, boy. Ain't got jack nothing over here, bro. But it is what it is, bro. I think they finished with the car, man. Valet got to come pull it up. And then, yeah, I'm going to give y'all a walk around the car, bro. Let y'all know everything I did to it, right? Also, let y'all know, man, how much it costs, you know what I mean, to get whatever I got done, man. So yeah, stay tuned, bro. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. All right, I actually see the car. That's me right here, my boy. Let me get that bit. I might bring that bit right here. Shit, let me get my shit right now. Sheesh, finally got it back. I'm glad to have it back. Appreciate it, my boy.
What's up, man?
Yeah, man. Feel good to have it back, man. Appreciate that.
Like this color, man.
Oh, nah, appreciate that, brother. Tony, appreciate it, boss. Thank you, man.
Nice.
Appreciate that, boss.
You don't see colors like this a lot.
Oh yeah, nah, man. It's kind of like, you know what I mean, rare, I guess you can say, man. So yeah.
I really like that.
Thank you, man. I mean, how was it? I mean, as far as like changing the oil and all that stuff, man. I mean, it was. Oh, you didn't change? Okay, I'm talking to you like you changed it, man. It's all good, bro. Well, hey, man. I mean, appreciate it. Thank you, Tony, man. Much love to you, man. I didn't have no Hellcats, and I'm like, damn, what happened? You know? Yeah. Shit. Oh yeah. Okay.
The demons over there.
Oh really? Oh, they got demons over there.
Yeah, we got demons.
Woo!
Someone just brought in their demon 30. birthday?
It was a Demon 170, or it was just a regular Demon?
He's a racer.
Yeah.
He's a drag racer.
Drag racing. Well, I mean, and,
So one seat.
oh God.
Yeah, we got one seat.
That's what them damn cars for, though, man. You know, them Demons and them Demon 170s. Okay, okay. Damn. Yeah, bro. I ain't got.
Trackhawk.
You said what happened?
Someone brought a Trackhawk.
Damn. It looked like it's smoking, bro. You see that? What the hell?
Yeah, you want to turn it off and pop it?
Yeah. Hold on, boy. Been like you're smoking. I don't know about that now. Let me see. Oh hell. Yeah. I just came for a regular oil change. What in the world they did? Yeah, that's a little off. I don't know though.
It was smoking before, right?
Nah, hell no. I promise you it wasn't smoking before. That's why I'm like, hold on.
Let me go get somebody real quick.
Yeah, for sure. Appreciate that. I don't know. Yeah, CEEFAM, so man, I came here for a routine oil change, bro, right? It's not the first time that these people done did an oil change on the Charger Hellcat, nothing like that. Yo, I'm chopping it up, man, with this guy, Tony. He the one that brought me my car. He didn't do the oil change, he said. So, yeah, man, like, brought me my car. I'm sitting here chopping it up with him. Bro, all of a sudden, I just see stuff start smoking. I swear to God, bro. Look at this. Yo, I don't know what. Yo, I don't know if y'all could see it now. Probably can't see. Oh, yeah, y'all can probably see it now, too, bro. Man, this bitch started smoking. I said, whoa. Like I said, I don't know what that's from. I don't know if they spilled some coolant or something, and it just started burning on. Cause it looked like they did something right here, bro. Like you can kind of see, I don't know, like the residue right there, kind of. But yeah, bro, it look like it's burning. Something in there burning, bro. So yeah, I don't know, CEEFAM. This ain't looking about right, bro. It's not how I gave them the car, I guarantee you. So yeah, this ain't. Boy, I might have to take my stuff somewhere else. All right, now Victorville Motors, bro. What the hell y'all got going on? So if y'all see, bro, like literally they got, I don't know, all this right here is dirty now. I don't know if something exploded, blew up. I don't know what they did, y'all, but yeah, like I said, it's smoking, bro. Man, what the hell, dog? I'm just trying to get a routine oil change. It looked like some fluid or something is in there too. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like some fluid got wasted or something, bro. So yeah, my guy Tony, man, he went in there. Shit, he gonna call somebody, cause yeah, this ain't it right here, bro. I don't know. I do not know, bro. We gonna get to the bottom of it though. All right, CEEFAM. So look, man, it should be good to go now, right? Give y'all boys a co-star right quick. So it should be good to go now, CEEFAM. I had talked to my service advisor. Shout out Selena, man. You know, so yeah, talked to her, and she pretty much said that. Damn. So I was trying to pop the hood, bro. Let me see. There we go. So yeah, I was trying to pop the hood, but I forgot while it's in whatchamacallem remote start, that I can't really pop the hood because it's gonna turn it off. But yeah, y'all, so basically talked to her, man. She basically said that the exact same thing happened that I thought, right? So while they was doing this right here, as y'all can see, bro, it looked like they had overspilled oil and all that, or I don't know, they overspilled fluid, oil, something like that, right? So all she said was, yeah, you know, they had overfilled it or whatever, or I don't know, they just filled it too fast or whatever. And then yeah, so she had them pressure wash all kind of stuff and blah 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 blah. So once that fluid or whatever had heated up, then it started to, I guess, you know what I mean, go up and smoke and all that. But yeah, y'all, like I said, initially the smoke was coming up through my little vent, you know. So yeah, thank God, bro, nothing wrong with the engine. Like I said, bro, this car only got 13,000 miles, almost 14,000, CEEFAM. So shouldn't nothing be wrong with that, you know. So I just figured it was definitely like some kind of liquid or something like that just got wasted onto the, she said, the manifold, right? So, and then obviously whenever that heated up, it just caused it to, you know what I mean, shoot up some smoke. But yeah, she said, look, they pressure washed everything, man. And so yeah, just give it time to cool down and all that stuff, CEEFAM. So yeah, I'm not really worried about it, man. I'm not worried about it at all. you know, close this thing up. And yeah, shit, just go from there, man. Look, car look beautiful though, man. Car look beautiful, bro. Like I said, today's the 4th, man. Gotta ship the car tomorrow to fit. So, yeah, man, getting back in this thing, CEEFAM. But yeah, look, what should I do, man? Like, should I just drop the videos that I got? Or should I just, you know what I mean, do like 1 video per week, man, just to stay relevant? You know what I'm saying? I feel like I should just do 1 per week just to stay relevant, at least for the next couple weeks, right? So that it won't be, I guess, too big of a time lapse from the next time y'all actually, you know what I mean, see the car physically, bro. So yeah, we'll see, man. We'll definitely see, CEEFAM. But yeah, your boy about to head back. I got, what, let's see, 13,900 miles. So yeah, my next service should be 19,000 miles, man. So I got another 6,000-7,000 miles, bro, to really drive before I gotta come back out here, man. So yeah, should be good, CEEFAM. Should be good, bro. I'm just glad, brother, we got the issue fixed and all that. And then yeah, just go from there. All right, now my boy right here, I don't know what he got going on. I see you. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Your boy finna head back to the crib, bro. Been here since, bro, I don't even know. It's 2:45 now, bro. Shit, I don't know, man. I'm just ready to go for real. So yeah, let's get to it, man. But yeah, y'all, look, man, so now I just want to tell y'all like exactly what I ended up doing to the car, right? So initially, man, like they was trying to tax me on some, like, get my oil change done. So yeah, like anybody out there, bro, who want an oil change, bro, or at least I feel like they was taxing. So anybody out there, bro, that want an oil change on this car, bro, expect the oil change to be at least $150, man. You know what I mean? So yeah, I ended up, man, just getting a, you know what I mean, a regular oil change and all that stuff done, CEEFAM. Shit, filled up all my fluids, all my liquids, all that good stuff, bro. Coolant, man, just everything underneath the hood, you know what I mean? Make sure all that stuff was topped off, you know, 'cause like I said, I don't know the next time I'm gonna be able to, you know, service this car and actually service it the right way. You know what I mean? Oh, hold on. Merging onto the highway. Bro, nothing like that wine, bro. I don't care what y'all say. That wine is something crazy, dog. So, hold on. Bro, dude is an asshole, bro. Thank you, appreciate you, my boy. Like, I hate, like whenever I'm trying to goddamn, that shit's so annoying. I hate, like, whenever I'm trying to speed up to merge over, and then the person that's next to me not let me merge over, right? So they end up speeding up so that I can't get over. Bro, your car is not faster than mine, bro. I guarantee you. You know what I mean? So shit like that, bro. It's like, bro, why are you even on the road, dog? But yeah, bro, like I was trying to say, man, if you want a regular oil change in your car, CEEFAM, you're gonna have to have at least 150, bro, in the bank. You know what I mean, bro? So obviously, man, like, I believe for this car, I think it's almost every 5 to 7. It's either 5, 7, or 10,000 miles, bro. You gotta bring your car in for service. All right, y'all. So, yeah, like I said, bro, right now, shit, I'm at 13,900 miles. My next service is due 19,900 miles, right? So, yeah, man, I'm just, you know, cool. I'm just coasting it right now, bro. That's it, you know. But yeah, man. Dude right here is a fucking ass, bro. But yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Excuse my language, man. Like, I'm just ready to go home. It's been a long day, CEEFAM. Like, god damn, long ass day, dog. And then on top of that, we gotta drive 3 hours tomorrow to ship the car, bro. Forget about it, dog. Oh man. But it is what it is, man. I'm just glad, bro. Today, pretty much almost over with, bro. Shit, it's 2:50 p.m., bro. I'm just ready to go to the crib. I'm speeding back to the crib. Y'all hear me? Speeding back. But yeah, bro, we just got the oil change, man. Tire rotations, I wasn't really too concerned with that, only because, like I said, we got the rims, what, 2 months ago, right? So it's like the wheels and rims only got, like, I don't know, maybe 3,000-4,000 miles on them. You know what I mean? So it's like, whatever, bro. I'm not really tripping on that. I wasn't gonna get that. And then, yeah, they had changed my air conditioning filter as well. But yeah, overall, yeah, everything came out to like 147, but they also did military discount, right? So yeah, that's that, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it, CEEFAM. You know what I mean, bro? Like I said, bro, like just wanted to get my oil change, get my maintenance and stuff taken care of on the vehicle, man. Right? If y'all want to know, like, you know, the overall maintenance on the car and, you know, how much is going to be in the future, like Dodge, well, every vehicle should have a maintenance plan, right? I think mine go all the way up to like 100,000 miles, but as your mileage go up on your vehicle, CEEFAM, you know, spark plugs start to become involved. Like, there's all kind of stuff, like, you know what I mean? So I might make a video on that too, CEEFAM. But yeah, shit, bro. Look, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. Hit that bell, turn on all post notifications, man, so that y'all get alerted anytime you boys see Will drop. You know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all boys, shit, and girls, bro. Whoever out there watching me, bro. I don't know if it's kids. I don't know if it's shit. You know, appreciate y'all, man. You know, like I said, I put it all on the line for y'all. You know, shit. I put it all on the line for y'all, man. You know, every single day, every single video, bro. You know, so yeah, I'll holler at y'all, man. Yes, sir.